You clean your kitchen with vinegar, but is it actually killing germs or just giving them a nice little bath? In today's video, we're testing one of the most popular natural cleaners out there, vinegar. People love it because it's cheap, eco-friendly, and smells, well, kind of like a salad. But is it truly disinfecting your home or just making it look clean? Let's break down the science so you can clean smarter. First, let's get clear on the difference between cleaning and disinfecting. Cleaning removes dirt and debris. Disinfecting kills 99.9% of germs, like bacteria and viruses, according to strict standards set by public health organizations. If your cleaner doesn't do that, it's technically not a disinfectant. Vinegar is made of acetic acid, usually around 5 to 7%. It's great at cutting through grease and grime. That's why it leaves your counters looking spotless. And studies show it can reduce some pathogens, like E. coli or salmonella, especially if you combine it with heat or salt. But here's the kicker. Even with those boosts, vinegar isn't EPA registered as a disinfectant. It simply doesn't meet the 99.9% kill rate required to be called one. Natural isn't always safer. People often assume natural means safer. But when it comes to killing germs that could cause illness, using the right tool for the job matters more. Vinegar might be great for your mirror, but not your toilet seat. Here's the good news. Vinegar is still a champion for everyday cleaning. It's biodegradable, non-toxic, and budget-friendly. Use it to clean windows, soap scum, hard water stains, and glass. But when it comes to germ warfare, like your bathroom, kitchen, or cold season, go with an EPA-approved disinfectant. So while vinegar might knock out a few microbes, it's no match for viruses like the flu, norovirus, or COVID-19. And it won't cut it in high-risk areas, like the kitchen cutting board after handling raw chicken. Smart cleaning routine. Using vinegar. Vinegar is effective as a pre-cleaner. Removes grime so disinfectants work better. Best used on windows, stainless steel, grout, careful, and general mess, not for toilets or cuts. Don't mix vinegar with bleach, hydrogen peroxide, or ammonia. It can create toxic gases. DIY boosts and when to skip vinegar. For veggies, vinegar soaking, diluted, can reduce bacteria, but never replaces washing thoroughly. Adding citric acid may boost power, still no substitute for proper disinfectants. Don't use on surfaces like marble, natural stone, or polished wood. Acid can damage them. Time for a quick check. Did you just spray and walk away? That's cleaning, and it's not enough. Did you let vinegar sit on moldy grout for 10+ minutes? Do you know the difference between a cleaner and a true disinfectant? So can vinegar actually disinfect? Not quite. It's a cleaner, not a killer. Use it smartly and know when it's time to bring in stronger solutions. If this helped you rethink your cleaning habits, hit like, subscribe for more microbe myths busted. Everyone has germs. Let's understand them better together.